Hello! Today I show you how to easily prepare summer drinks that are sugar-free, refreshing and good tasting. Some days ago a friend told me that she did not like to drink alcohol or water, so she is drinking a lot of fruit juices. But these contain plenty of fruit sugars, which is not advisable in large quantities. So Lena, this video is for you. It is very easy. You take a tea that you like, put the bag in a glass and fill it up with cold water and wait.
It's warm, get the short dress out. The sun shines, there is no cloud. Grab your bags to the Lido guys. In its stomach, butterflies. Pack the suitcase, don't forget the shorts and the wetsuit for the water sports. Hit the rod to catch that bass. Check the car, fill up the gas. When is it summer already? Feel the freedom on my skin and the sand beneath my feet. School is out, books in the bin. I'm dancing to the beat. Let the warm wind kiss your hair. Hear the seagulls screech in your ears. Smell the scent of the ocean go. Watch the waves and skim